In this video, we will explore how you can use AI tools to write a story and create animations effortlessly. Unlike other methods that require separate tasks for image production, sound production, and video creation, this AI tool combines all these processes into one seamless experience. Let's dive into the 2 simple steps involved in creating this video. Step 1. Writing the story with ChatGPT. To begin, we will enter ChatGPT, a powerful language model. You can find the link to ChatGPT in the description below. Using ChatGPT, we will craft a captivating story about a child with supernatural abilities. Once the story is ready, we can proceed to the next step. Step 2. Creating the animation with Artflow. Now, head over to artflow.ai. If you haven't registered before, sign up first to access the platform. Once you're in, enter the Explore environment. In the first step, we will create images for our animation. Select the Image Studio and enter the image generation interface. Set the format to a 3:2 ratio. From the button section, choose Add Style. Here, you can select your desired style. For this video, we'll choose the 3D cartoon style. Next, go back to the story you wrote using ChatGPT and copy the first paragraph. Paste it into the image generation interface. Click the Flow button and patiently wait for the image to be generated. Repeat this process to generate images for the remaining parts of your story. Once all the images are created, it's time to bring them to life. Select the Video Studio from the left side and enter the video creation interface. For the first scene, choose the image you created. Select the dialogue option and copy the text of the corresponding paragraph. Paste it into the section. From the left side, select Audio and choose the voice of an elderly man. In the Effects section, add an effect to enhance the image. Repeat this process for the other scenes as well. When all the scenes are ready, it's time to export your animation. Select the Export option, and voila! Your animation is ready to be enjoyed. Now let's see our final result.
Lily's parents, who were ordinary farmers, noticed her unusual talents when she was just a toddler. They marveled as she effortlessly summoned gentle breezes to cool them during sweltering summer days. As she grew older, her powers only became more remarkable. She could command the rain to fall, TRA. But Lily's powers came with great responsibility. She learned from her parents that her abilities were rare and had to be kept secret from the outside world. The village was a place of fear and superstition, where those with unique powers were often shunned and misunderstood.